Knowledge Nexus.
Ever wondered what cryptocurrency is all about? It seems like everyone's talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, but what does it all mean? In simplest terms, cryptocurrency is digital money. Think of it like this. Remember when we were kids and we used to trade Pokemon cards? Those cards had value because we all agreed they did. Cryptocurrency is similar, but instead of physical cards, it's all digital. Because cryptocurrency is digital and decentralized, it has the potential to revolutionize how we think about money. It's a whole new world of finance, and in this video, I'm going to break it down for you in a way that even your grandma can understand. Ever wondered what cryptocurrency is all about? It seems like everyone is talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, but what does it all mean? In the simplest terms, cryptocurrency is digital money. You can't hold it in your hand like a dollar bill, but you can use it to buy and sell things online. Now, I know what you're thinking. Digital money? That sounds complicated, but trust me, it's not as difficult as you might think. Remember when we were kids and we used to trade Pokemon cards? Those cards had value because we all agreed they did. Cryptocurrency is similar, but instead of physical cards, it's all digital. Each cryptocurrency exists as a unique entry in a massive online database called a blockchain. Think of the blockchain as a giant public ledger that keeps track of every single cryptocurrency transaction that's ever been made. This ledger is constantly being updated and verified by a network of computers all over the world, making it incredibly secure and transparent. But here's the thing, unlike traditional currencies, which are controlled by governments and financial institutions, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. That means there's no central authority calling the shots. Instead, the control is distributed among a vast network of users, making it much more resistant to censorship and manipulation. Now, you might be asking yourself, why would I want to use cryptocurrency? Well, there are a few key advantages. First, because it's decentralized. There are no banks or intermediaries involved in transactions, which means lower fees and faster processing times. Second, cryptocurrency is global. You can send and receive it from anywhere in the world without worrying about exchange rates or international transfer fees. And third, because of the way blockchain technology works, cryptocurrency transactions are incredibly secure and transparent. Let's break down the differences between cryptocurrency and traditional money using an analogy we can all relate to. Trading cards. Imagine you have a rare baseball card. Its value is determined by a few things: its rarity, its condition, and the demand for that particular card. If you find someone willing to pay a certain price for it, you can trade it. Traditional money, like the US dollar, works in a similar way. Its value is determined by the government and influenced by factors like inflation and economic growth. You can use it to buy goods and services because everyone agrees it has value. Now, imagine your baseball card collection is digitized. Each card exists as a unique digital asset, and you can trade them online using a secure platform. That's essentially what cryptocurrency is. Digital assets that can be bought, sold, and traded electronically. But here's where the key difference lies: decentralization. Your digital baseball card collection is controlled by you. You decide when and how to trade it. Cryptocurrency operates on a similar principle. Instead of a central authority like a bank or government controlling the currency, it's managed by a distributed network of computers. This decentralization offers some significant advantages. First, it means transactions are incredibly transparent. Every transaction is recorded on the blockchain, which is like a public ledger that anyone can view. This makes it very difficult for fraudulent activities to go unnoticed. Second, decentralization makes cryptocurrency more resistant to censorship. No single entity can shut it down or control its flow. Chapter 3. How does cryptocurrency work? Now let's dive into the technology that makes cryptocurrency possible. The blockchain. Imagine a digital ledger like a giant spreadsheet that everyone can access. This spreadsheet records every single cryptocurrency transaction ever made. Each transaction is grouped together into a block. These blocks are then linked together chronologically, forming a chain, hence the term blockchain. But here's the cool part. Once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered or deleted. It's permanent and tamper-proof. Now you might be wondering, who's responsible for adding these blocks to the blockchain? That's where miners come in. Miners are essentially like digital accountants who use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. These problems are designed to be difficult and time-consuming to solve. The first miner to solve the problem gets to add the next block of transactions to the blockchain and receives a reward in the form of cryptocurrency. This process is known as mining. This decentralized system where multiple miners are constantly verifying and adding transactions to the blockchain makes cryptocurrency incredibly secure. It's virtually impossible for a single entity to control or manipulate the blockchain because any changes would be immediately visible to everyone on the network. Chapter 4. Types of Cryptocurrencies. Now that you understand the basics of how cryptocurrency works, let's talk about the different types of cryptocurrencies out there. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. It's like the OG of the crypto world. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or a group of people known as Satoshi Nakamoto. It was designed to be a decentralized digital currency, free from government control and traditional financial institutions. But Bitcoin is just the tip of the iceberg. There are thousands of other cryptocurrencies, each with its own unique features and purposes. Ethereum, for example, is a blockchain platform that allows developers to build decentralized applications or dApps on top of it. Think of Ethereum as a giant decentralized computer that can run all sorts of programs and applications. This has led to the creation of things like decentralized finance or DeFi platforms, which allow you to lend, borrow, and earn interest on your cryptocurrency without needing a bank. Then you have stablecoins, which are cryptocurrencies designed to maintain a stable value, usually pegged to a fiat currency like the US dollar. Chapter 5. Cryptocurrency, the future of finance. So is cryptocurrency the future of finance? Well, it's definitely a game changer. Think about it. Cryptocurrency has the potential to create a more inclusive, efficient, and transparent financial system. With its decentralized nature, cryptocurrency can empower individuals and businesses, especially in underserved communities, by providing access to financial services that were previously unavailable to them. Imagine a world where you can send money to anyone, anywhere in the world, instantly and with minimal fees. That's the power of cryptocurrency. And with the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi, we're already seeing the emergence of new financial products and services that are challenging the traditional banking system. But let's be real. Cryptocurrency also comes with its fair share of challenges. The volatility of the market can be intimidating for newcomers, and the lack of regulation in some areas creates uncertainty and risks. And we can't forget about the environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining. Some cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, require a significant amount of energy to mine, which has raised concerns about their carbon footprint. However, despite these challenges, the potential of cryptocurrency is undeniable. Outro: stay tuned and stay informed. So that's cryptocurrency in a nutshell. It's a complex and fascinating world, but hopefully this video has given you a solid foundation to build upon. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos where we'll dive deeper into specific cryptocurrencies, explore the latest trends, and discuss advanced concepts like DeFi and NFTs. As always, do your own research, invest responsibly, and never put in more money than you can afford to lose. Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead of the curve.